Robotic assembly is at the heart of modern manufacturing. Yet, programming a robot to assemble a complex product still requires engineers to manually define every single step. CAD files already contain all the geometric information needed, yet no existing system can automatically translate into a complete robotic assembly plan. The core idea of my work is to leverage two types of AI models: large language models, which reason over text, and vision language models, which additionally interpret images. In my framework, a CAD file is first transformed into a knowledge graph containing geometric and assembly-related information. This graph is then passed to the LLM, which identifies a feasible assembly sequence. To make sure that a solution is feasible, the LLM is guided by collision-checking algorithms and a VLM describing CAD renderings of each step. This assembly sequence is then extended to an action sequence that defines the movements of the robots. Validated on products of different complexity, my framework generates feasible assembly plans, enabling robots to assemble products which they have never seen before.